Have you ever wondered what DevOps is? Software development comprised two different departments. The development team that develops the plan designs and builds the system from scratch, and the operation team testing and implementation of whatever is developed. DevOps is a delivery model for a set of tools that facilitates collaboration between an organization's software development team and the operation team. This is basically what DevOps is. DevOps symbol resembles an infinity sign, suggesting that it is a continuous process of improving efficiency and constant activity. Imagine a company office divided by a wall. Developers are on one side and the operations team on the other. The dev team would work for 6 to 9 months to build version 1.0. They'd then throw the code over the wall to the operations team and say, "We're done. Make it run." Ops would spend the next few weeks trying to figure out how to make it run. But Ops similarly gets annoyed with Dev. "We made it run. Don't break it." DevOps concept allows this dividing wall to be torn down. If the devs understand the operations side of things, and the ops team understands what is happening on the dev side, the two can work together to make things smooth, and the two merge to form DevOps team. They now can deploy their own software ability to do things like deploy hundreds of times each day instead of every few months, or even days. If you like our video, then give a thumbs up, share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting videos.